Let's have a quick run through of all the pairs before I call it a night. So starting with EURCAD, we can see that the price came in, respected our sell zone, poked through the key level before this big drop. Alright, so if I were to take it from the key level down to the lowest it made, it actually ran for, EURCAD actually ran for 67 pips. Alright, and that is from our H4 and M15 key levels. So 67 pips from EURCAD, well done. Next we have EURJPY. Now EURJPY gave us a surprise. Okay, so it came into our sell zone first before shooting all the way down, and you can see this sharp poke into this key level before this bounce up. Now if I were to go into a smaller time frame, you will see. So the price decided to come up, respected our key level over here before the drop down and breaking or bouncing back up. Okay, so we have multiple. You can see that on M15. I'll just give an example. On M15 you see multiple engulfing cells, another engulfing cell. Oh, my pen just died. It's okay. So we have an engulfing cell over here, another engulfing cell, another engulfing cell, multiple engulfing cells. And if I were to put a zone from where the price actually tested, you can see that the price hit this. Okay, sorry. Let me... So you can see the price at this. Engulfing cell meets engulfing cell and another engulfing cell. So we know that the sellers over here have locked the price. Not only that, it has also created this, an engulfing cell, where you can see the price closed, but after it closed, it just decided to shoot up, poke the higher zone in our key level before this whole drop. Alright, so if I were to take it from where it was in the key level down to the lowest it made into our next key level is 93 pips. After this 93 pips, it decided to, bounce for another 67 pips. So 93 and 67, that is at 160 pips just from the key levels of H4. Okay, just from the key levels of H4. Next, we have GBPUSD. Now, GBPUSD also did very, very well today. So GBPUSD, although it broke our zone over here, but it still respected our H4. So you can see on H4, it just decided to leave a wick through the zone just to test this engulfing cell over here before the bounce back up. So if I were to go into a smaller time frame, you can see that where it tested was these engulfing buys, right? An engulfing buy. Over here we have an engulfing cell that failed, and the price tested here. Sell failed, price came back in, created this first engulfing buy. So when the price came back into our zone and respected, although it did not create an engulfing buy by closing within, it still left wicks, and you can see this close above before creating a buy. If we were to see an M5, you can see that an M5 also created an engulfing buy, another engulfing buy, and another engulfing buy. And if we were to drag from below or before that, you will also see multiple engulfing buys and an engulfing cell over here that it respected. Alright, so if I were to take it from the key level, let's just take it, H4, from the key level from the bounce first, because now it's coming back to test our zone. So this happened. If I were to take it from the key level, up, to the highest it made, GBPUSD ran for 36 pips before dropping down, and now it's retesting our buy zone. Okay, since the market's going to close soon, I'm not going to monitor anything else because the pips, or not the pips, the spread will double or triple in size during that. And I do not want to go through that. Okay, so better to start anew tomorrow. So congrats again to all those that had blues from the currency pairs. Today was a good day for all of us. So let's see what tomorrow has in store. Have a good night. Bye.